Mahmudullah from Bangladesh hit 181 fours in 135 matches he played. Former English captain Owen Morgan played 115 T20Is and he scored 186 fours. Tamim Iqbal from Bangladesh hit 188 boundaries in 78 matches he played. Liton Das from Bangladesh hit 190 boundaries in 86 matches he played. KL Rahul from India scored 191 fours in 72 matches. Shikhar Dhawan from India smashed 191 fours in 68 matches he played. David Malone from England scored 194 boundaries in 62 matches. Suryakumar Yadav from India scored 195 boundaries in 63 matches. Shoaib Malik from Pakistan scored 196 boundaries in 124 matches he played. Brendan McCullum scored 199 fours in 71 T20Is. Glenn Maxwell from Australia scored 208 fours in 110 T20Is. Reza Hendricks from South Africa smashed 213 fours in 63 matches. TM Dilshan from Sri Lanka scored 223 boundaries in 80 matches. Alex Hales smashed 225 boundaries in 75 matches he played. George Munsey from Scotland smashed 229 boundaries in 71 matches. Mohammad Shahzad from Afghanistan scored 229 boundaries in 73 matches. Quinton de Kock from South Africa has 245 fours in 87 matches. Kane Williamson from New Zealand has 245 fours in 93 matches. Mohammad Hafiz from Pakistan has 251 fours in 119 matches. Bill Byrne from Ireland has 254 fours in 110 matches. Shakib Al Hasan has 257 fours in 126 matches. Mohammad Rizwan from Pakistan scored 278 fours in 102 T20Is. Josh Butler has 287 fours in 120 matches. Aaron Finch scored 309 fours in 103 matches. Martin Guptill from New Zealand has 309 fours in 122 matches. David Warner from Australia has 331 fours in 107 matches. Virat Kohli from India has 362 boundaries in 120 T20Is. Rohit Sharma has 364 fours in 154 matches. Paul Stirling from Ireland has 418 fours in 145 matches. Pakistani skipper Babar Azam has 440 fours in 123 matches he played.